Hi there. Check out the DNTYUISS Outdoor Library Book Box, a charming double free literature exchange box made from premium pine wood. It features a transparent door and window so you can easily spot your next book, and its sturdy design withstands outdoor weather. You can personalize it by painting your ideal library before assembly, then protect it with a waterproof spray for lasting beauty. Assembly is simple with included tools and instructions, and it fits nicely on a standard 4x4 post. The compact size holds various book dimensions, and a magnetic bolt keeps the door secure from wind. This outdoor library box helps spread the love of reading, building community and inspiring creativity around you. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.